Okay, this is our first stop. So, dito na ako sa loob ng entrance. Okay. So, this is what's inside. So, hanapin natin yung reclining Buddha. So, ikutin natin to. First, let's walk here. Okay, so this is what's inside the temple. So I think it's inside there. So we will see where is it. So let's get inside of it. So I think so this is so here is the big reclining Buddha. So later we will go there. But first we'll go to the other temple. Okay? So let's go first here. I cannot read their language because it's all written in Thai. So I don't know Thai. So I'm just relying to what I see. So this is what we see here. So this is the first. This is the first one. Okay, so I don't know if we can get inside here, but this is the first one. You see? Let's see what's inside. Okay. So this is the first one.